Ethan, a curious young boy, wandered deep into an enchanted forest one day, where he discovered a mysterious, glowing seed nestled among the roots of ancient trees. The seed pulsed with a soft, golden light, and as he held it in his hand, Ethan felt an inexplicable pull towards it. Excited by his find, Ethan hurried back to his small village and carefully planted the seed in a patch of soil near his cottage. As soon as he covered it with earth, the ground beneath began to glow faintly, as if the seed was awakening something magical. The next morning, Ethan awoke to a wondrous sight. A small tree had sprouted where he had planted the seed. But this was no ordinary sapling, its leaves shimmered with an ethereal glow, and its trunk sparkled in the sunlight. Ethan was awestruck, knowing that he had found something truly special. Over the following days, the tree grew rapidly, soon towering over the village. Its branches stretched out wide, providing cool shade and a sense of peace to the villagers who gathered around it in amazement. The tree seemed to emanate a gentle, calming presence, and the villagers felt its magic touch their hearts. Eager to share the tree's gift, Ethan brought the magical apples to the villagers. Each person who took a bite felt an overwhelming sense of joy and vitality, as if their very spirits were being renewed. The tree became a symbol of hope and prosperity for the entire village, its magic bringing happiness to all. As the years passed, the tree continued to grow, its light never dimming. It became a beacon of magic and goodness, watching over the village and ensuring that it remained a place of peace and happiness forever. The villagers knew that as long as the tree stood tall, their lives would be filled with the warmth and wonder of its eternal light. One stormy night, dark clouds gather above the village, and lightning cracks the sky. As the storm rages, the magic tree's light intensifies, creating a protective barrier over the village, shielding it from harm. The villagers watch in awe as the tree's magic keeps them safe,